NASA is the ninth largest federal government real property holder with over 124,000 acres and 4,900 buildings and other structures. Agency property includes technical facilities such as wind tunnels, rocket test stands, and launch complexes, and non-technical facilities such as office buildings, roads, and utility systems. Much of NASA's infrastructure was constructed in the 1960s during the Apollo era, and nearly 80% of its facilities are 40 or more years old. Although NASA has identified reducing its infrastructure as high priority for decades, the agency continues to retain property that is underutilized, does not have identified future mission uses, or is duplicative of other assets in its inventory. In this audit, the Office of Inspector General identified 33 wind tunnels, test stands, thermal vacuum chambers, airfields, and launch-related facilities that NASA was not fully utilizing, or for which agency managers could not identify a future mission use. These facilities cost the agency more than $43 million to maintain in fiscal year 2011 alone. The OIG found that NASA's efforts to reduce underutilized facilities have been hindered by several long-standing and interrelated challenges. 1, fluctuating and uncertain strategic requirements. 2, agency culture and business practices. 3, political pressure. And 4, inadequate funding. To its credit, NASA is undertaking a series of initiatives the OIG views as positive steps toward right-sizing the agency's real property footprint. Development of a new facility strategy and analytical framework for making infrastructure decisions, as well as improvements in managing its real property data, should position the agency to better manage underutilized property and divest itself of facilities that are duplicative or unneeded. However, many of these efforts are in the early stages, and their ultimate effect on the agency's ability to reduce its real property portfolio remains unclear. In addition, we noted that the agency's efforts may be insufficient to overcome the cultural and political obstacles that have impeded past efforts to reduce unneeded infrastructure, and that accordingly, an independent outside process similar to the Department of Defense's Base Realignment and Closure Commission may ultimately be necessary. To read the OIG's full report, please visit our website at oig.nasa.gov.